I do the shit. As you can see, you have 2 birds over here. Now I need 1 more Moltress. If you haven't watched my previous videos, you can check it out. Yeah, it's about capturing those 2 birds. Oh wait, shit. Yeah. So right now we're going to capture the last one. Stupid fast forward. Okay. Fast forward. Oh yeah. So just nice we're in Vermilion. Can get 1 island. No wait, I think it's 1 island. Oh yeah. You're here. Snorlax. Yawn. There. Go away. Go away. No. Go away. Okay. No. Go away. Yeah. You know, you just need to go to island 1. There's a Mount Amber over there. In case you don't know, I think you will be there. Oh, no, not here. Yeah. Up there. There'll be a stupid puzzle so retarded that you don't want to play at all. But Pokemon logic, you can use magnitude in the water. Yeah. There's earthquake. The water is shaking. Woo! Hello, Pound. See, look away. Scared of me. Rock smash. I don't have it, but it's okay if you don't have rock smash because you actually don't need it. Just make 1 round. Boo your rocks, I'm behind you. Go in here. There. Bye. Hey. You want to use magnitude? I also have it. Okay. You know what? Moltress wants to exercise every day, so it makes a lot of tunnels for him to walk through. You know all this hot spa over here? It's for it to suck, burn his ass, make it even hotter than it already is. I don't want to fight you. Go away. Oh my god, how much do you like to exercise? Oh my god, you have to fly even higher. I think here is it, right? What do you get here? Our trouble. I have so many over here. I also don't know what's this for. Oh! Never mind. Ow! Have to do this normal speed. No, I give out normal speed. Yo! No. Dun 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 dun. Okay. Now let's fight him. Let me check out Pokemon. Check my bed. Ready to go. Rumble. Now what do we do? Cut. Cut. No! I hate you. This one comes out. Surf. Wow. Not dead yet. Time. Yoo! Oh my god, Snorlax. Why? Wow! I thought you could catch him on the first one. Too bad. Oh, you mother pussy. Pussy! Just die, pussy! Why? Okay. Oh my god! Just... Oh no! Stupid fire spin. I hate you, fire spin. I hate you, fire spin. Just go back home, go into the ball, and don't come out again. Good. Finally. Peace. Oh my god, stop it. Stop it. Stop it at once. Please, oh my god. Yeah! Finally! Oh! Wow, this is fast. Woo! Okay. Now let's see whether we can fly off this. Waiting for a call. What? This is a volcano? What are you talking about? I don't understand. Why are you so stupid? Oh my god! I have to make one big round. Come on, I need to put this back in the box. The bird collection. Boom, boom. Go away. Yeah. Now can you fly? Huh? Pang. Well, I need 10 goods. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, this is a little outdated, I know, but yeah. Not bad, huh? Well, I actually beat my record. Usually I use Master Balls, I hack it. Now I just use Ultra Balls to capture all. You know, it's kind of achievement. Yeah. Whee! You are going on a cloud. You're going on another cloud. Hey. And you are going on another cloud. Nope. Never mind. Well, thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, goodbye.